There are tons of lawyers everywhere. There are tons of wheel and tire shops and mechanic shops everywhere. The reason you want to work with me is because you want to know the craziest thing ever is this book right here. This is called the Red Book, okay? This has every single vehicle that's in existence in the United States with every bolt pattern. It tells you how many inches, like, so if you look at this wheel right here, for instance, see how it's got like, 5 holes? This is a 5-lug bolt pattern. It tells you how many millimeters each bolt is, plus the offset, the spacing, plus how big of a rim that you could put on a specific vehicle. This is the book that I memorized working in the wheel and tire business. So any vehicle that came into the shop, I can tell you exactly what your bolt pattern is, what size wheels are going to fit on it, what size tire you need, and how you can manipulate the numbers to make sure you get the best value. What do I mean by that? Well, certain tires cost more than other tires just because of the rarity of that tire size. So let's say, for instance, you have a Dodge Charger, Challenger, whatever, and you want to get a set of 22-inch wheels and tires for it. Well, the most common size for that is a 265/35/22. Well, if you wanted to get a wider tire, jump up to like a 285 or a 295, right, with a 30 profile, a thinner tire, it's going to be more expensive, but it's going to look the same. So part of what I was doing since I was a teenager was educating people about their cars, their wheels and tires, and then making sure that it delivered the best value product and service at the very end. And I feel like that's kind of what I'm doing now in the legal space is when clients have questions, legal questions, I want to deliver them the content, the information in a way that they can understand it, they can become educated, and they make the decision without me having to sell anything. I don't have to sell you on hiring me to become your lawyer, just like I didn't have to sell you on buying a set of wheels and tires from me, because the truth is, I'm a commodity. There are tons of lawyers everywhere. There are tons of wheel and tire shops and mechanic shops everywhere. The reason you want to work with me is because you know, like, and trust me. And I do that by establishing credibility and giving you free legal information and content over and over and over again. I'm not in the business of selling. I'm in the business of educating. And the more I educate, it just so happens that my business grows. So instead of looking at what other people can do for you, ask what you can do for them. Everyone knows that famous quote, but it's really how it works. So it starts with the Red Book, and it's now CEO Lawyer.